Hello students, we are going to discuss a very important property of electric field lines. The important property is that two electric field lines can never intersect each other. What is the meaning? Suppose we have one electric field line is like this and another electric field line is this. So is this situation possible or not possible? So here we can say that these two lines intersect at a point P, but the statement says that two field lines cannot intersect each other. Now what is the reason behind that? The reason is very simple, and the reason is electric field at any point can have only one direction. It can never have more than two directions. Now suppose these two lines are intersecting at point P. So here we can draw two different tangents, one for this curve and one for this curve. So suppose we are drawing tangent at this point, the one tangent will be along this line and the other tangent will be along this line. So one tangent will show direction of electric field along E1 and the other tangent will show electric field as along E2. But electric field at any point can have only one direction. So this case or this scenario is not possible in a given circumstances. So we can simply say that electric field lines can never intersect each other. So electric field lines can be like this, can be like any other thing, but it can never, any two line can never intersect each other. Okay, thank you students.